Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to your OKX wallet. Now, you can do this whether you're using your computer like what we are going to do in this video, or you can use your mobile device, whether it's Apple or Android. Just download OKX and the Tonkeeper app on your device and you're going to be good to go. And to do this, of course, we are going to needing your OKX Ton wallet. How do you do that? Once you've signed into your OKX account here, go look at the upper right corner of the screen and you're going to see beside the search bar, assets. So hover your cursor on your assets, and what you want to do next is click on deposit. So you're going to be brought to this page, and you're going to be needing to select a cryptocurrency, which is in this case, of course, Ton. And after that, select a network, which is there's only one, Ton, right? And then click comment is required, click OK, and you're going to be brought here with your deposit address. Of course, you need to copy that like so, and then go back home. And then now we open our Tonkeeper wallet again, and then click on send, paste the wallet address here, and you must include the note from the exchange for transfer, and you just paste it here and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment.